In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the settings on your iPhone so that your display never goes to sleep. I'll also show you where to check if you're having issues changing the setting. To get started, open the Settings app. Inside of here, scroll down and then choose Display and Brightness. Inside of the Display Settings menu, scroll down and then you'll see Auto Lock. This is the setting that's automatically locking your screen. By default, Apple sets this to 30 seconds, which for most people is just way too short. Choose Auto Lock. Inside of here, you'll have the time lengths that you can choose from before your iPhone's screen goes to sleep and then locks. Since we're looking at changing it so that it never locks, choose Never at the bottom. Now your iPhone screen will only go to sleep when you close your phone. Now if you're having an issue where the auto lock option is grayed out like this here, then you probably have low power mode enabled. You can tell quickly if you have that by looking at the battery here at the top, and it's probably going to be yellow. Head back to the main settings menu, scroll down, and then choose battery. Inside of the battery menu, you'll see low power mode here at the top and it's going to be enabled. Tap the slider to turn the low power mode option off. Now head back and then into display and brightness and you'll see that the auto lock option is now choosable. You can then change the time to never or any of the other options that you might want to try out. Do know though that if you have it set to never or like 5 minutes or even 4 minutes, it is going to affect your battery life. So maybe at first try something like 2 minutes, which is my personal preference. And that's how you turn the auto lock feature to never to keep your iPhone screen on.